Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Welcome to CBM Port with me, Chief Bill Mkono. And today I'm going to prepare coconut tilapia served with spinach or chard. Depends with whichever you have. So maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. I'm going to prepare my tilapia. I have my all ingredients. So let's get into cooking. I have my fresh deep fried tilapia, all tilapia, chopped onions, tomatoes, and chopped dania, and some cubes, chili cubes, yeah? So whenever you are going to shop, make sure you use fresh ingredients. Fresh, everything must always be fresh. And I have my desiccated coconut. As you can see, my pan is getting hot. Let's do this. So I'm going to add my chopped onions or onions. And whenever you use your onions, always make sure when you put your onions in a hot pan, after stirring just a little bit, you add your salt immediately. Immediately. I'm emphasizing on that. Immediately. It's very essential. It is a culinary basic that majority of people usually ignore or don't know about. So you must always add your salt. The onions reduce the moisture in the onion, so it browns much faster, hence enhancing the flavor. So our onions are already brown, golden brown, as you can see. So I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can continue breaking down. Keep on stirring so that the tomatoes can continue breaking down much faster. I'm going to add my cubes so that the sauce I can continue building up on the flavor. Keep on breaking down the tomatoes. So I'm going to add just my desiccated coconut, as you can see. I'm building up on the flavor, guys. Continue building up on the flavor. And then I'm going to add very, very important. I'm going just a tablespoon of sugar. That sugar helps eradicating the acidity, the tanginess on your tongue when you have swallowed the food. So my tomatoes have broken down very well. I'm going to add more water. This water is going to bind the sauce very well so that I can add my tilapia. So I'm going to let the sauce continue boiling. And then I put my tilapia because the sauce is ready. I've already adjusted the seasoning. So I'm going to baste. It's called basting. You keep on basting so that the fish can absorb flavor up the top part and the lower part. Yeah, you can always add vinegar or lemons. Keep on basting. It's very, very essential. You keep on basting as much as you can, because the fish will continue absorbing as much flavor as possible. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana, yeah? And then you simmer the gas so that the fish doesn't burn, and you keep on basting so that the fish absorb as much flavor as possible from the sauce. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana, yeah? Maneno mautamu reloaded. Mautamu iko hapa, boys. Mautamu reloaded, bro, hapa. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. So you let the fish continue simmering as it absorbs the flavor. Maneno iko wetu mbaya. Mautamu reloaded. So the fish is simmering. and it's absorbing a lot of flavor. Don't be in a hurry. So I'm going to finish with my chopped coriander or dania. I will sprinkle on top so that I enhance the flavor and the aroma. The aroma in this house is just beautiful. And that is my coconut tilapia. And I'm going to plate it. You have to be very, very careful when you are plating because it's very, very fragile. So be very, very cautious. So my tilapia, my coconut tilapia is ready, guys. And I'm going to plate it. It's just wet fry. I didn't want the fish to have a lot of sauce. So that is my tilapia, my coconut tilapia done. Maneno kwa wetu mbaya sana. CBM Pot with me Chef Bill Mkono. Cooking blending memories. That is CBM Pot. That is my coconut tilapia that is ready. That looks yummy. That looks delicious, man. You can take this with any accompaniment of your choice. If you are in Kenya, ugali is very common, but you can take with chips if you want. Pap in South Africa, fufu in Nigeria, or you can take with jira, anjera, that is, anjera is very, very common in some parts of Kenya, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Djibouti. You can take this with any type of accompaniment, yeah? So feel free to explore each and every avenue so that you can enjoy a very, very beautiful meal like this one. My coconut tilapia served with spinach, fresh spinach, buttered spinach, very, very delicious, motamu reloaded. Hapa hivi nakuambia, hapo unahitaji tu ugali. In Kenya, ugali will do justice to this tilapia. Ugali hapa hivi my friend, unaeka tu kwa meza, unaifanyia justice mbaya. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana with me Chef Bill Mkono, and today that is my coconut tilapia served with spinach. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana. Thank you so much for watching CBM Pot with me Chef Bill Mkono. Muchas gracias, merci, asanteni sana, dank wherever you are watching me from. Let's meet into the next video episode. Thank you so much. Merci. Ciao. Adios. I'm out.